Good morning, all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. My name is Shilpa. I am your teacher. Now tell me, how many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. Now we'll begin with English class. Today we learn alphabets. Now tell me, how many letters are there in alphabet? There are 26 letters in alphabets. Be ready with your files, notebooks, sharpen pencil, eraser and colors to study again. Sit straight, sit properly, don't look here and there until you complete your work. Hello little friends, how are you doing? I'm sure you are doing great. Are you ready to study? Then take out your English file and your English book. Now open your English file, open page number 4545. Have you all opened page number 45? On this page, we are going to write the rhyming words. As earlier I told you, in rhyming words, we have to change the first letter of the word and the last letters remain the same. Look here, boon. Now we have to change the first letter and write a new word. So, soon, moon, spoon. Like this we will do rhyming words. Now take out your pencil, hold your pencil like this and start writing with me. Boon, soon, boon, soon, S-O-O-N, soon. What we have done, we have changed the first letter and the last letter remains the same. Now write the next word, moon. Moon. Done. Now write one more word. Yes, it's spoon. Spoon. S-P-O-O-N, spoon. Now read boon, soon, moon, spoon. They all have the same sound at the end of the word. Now all of you have completed. Now read the next word. Fool. Now write tool. T-O-O-L, tool. Done. Now write pool. P-O-O-L, pool. Done. Now write wool. W-O-O-L, wool. Done. Fool, tool, pool, wool. Come to the next word. Hoot. I will write boot, boot. Hoot, boot. Now think one more word. Yes, it's root, root. Root, root. Done? Hoot, boot, root. Yes, it's loot, loot. Hoot, boot, root, loot. All of you have done? Now read the next word. Goat, goat. When two vowels go walking together, first one does the talking. When O and A will do walking, O will do the talking and A remains silent. The sound of O is O. Goat, goat. Boat, boat. Goat, goat. Boat, boat. Yes, one more word. Yes, it's coat, coat. Goat, boat, coat. One more word with the same sound. Yes, it's float, float. Goat, boat, coat, float. Done? Now come to the next word. Boil, boil. Now what we can write? Yes, coil, coil. Boil, coil, soil. Soil, soil. Boil, coil, soil. Yes, it's foil. Foil, foil. Boil, coil, soil, foil. Awesome, you did it. Now read the next word. Glue, you glue. Now write, blue, you blue. Blue, you blue. Do, you do. Do, you do. Try, you true. Try, you true. Glue, blue, dew, true. Now all of you have done. Now come to the next part. Now in this part you will see the picture and you have to draw as it is here. So first of all we will draw this big oval. Now look where the big oval is starting from. It is starting from here. It is from middle line. Draw a big oval till here. Now what we have to draw? A triangle. Draw a sleeping line and two slanting line. Triangle. Done. Now we have to make eyes. Draw two more ovals. One oval, two oval. Put a dot between these two ovals. Done? Now which shape is this? Yes, it's a rectangle. Draw a rectangle between the eyes. Now one more triangle. This triangle is facing upwards and this triangle will face downwards. Triangle. Now what is left? Yes, these two triangles. Draw a slanting line. One more slanting line and join these two slanting lines. Now I have drawn as it is. Now what we have to do? We have to do coloring. So take out your color box. First of all, we will color all the triangles red. Do your coloring properly. Cover all the white base between the boundary line. Now these two triangles are left. Draw a boundary line and color it. Now we will color these triangles also. Now we will color the rectangle yellow. Color this rectangle also. Now select one more color. Which color you want to do in the oval? I will select brown color. I will color the oval brown. I will color in the eyes also. Color all the white ways within the picture. The white ways shouldn't be visible. Do your coloring properly, kiddos. I have to cover all the white base within the pictures. Now I will color this oval also. Are you enjoying? Yes, now. I love to do coloring. You also love to do coloring? Yes? Now I have completed my coloring. Have you all done? Yes? Now listen carefully. You have to open page number 4646. On that page you will practice the rhyming words again for more perfection. And when you complete the page, click the photograph and send it on the WhatsApp group. Now take out your English book. Have you all taken out your English book? Yes, in this book you will open page number 9. Which page number you will open? Page number 9. Have you all opened? Now here you can see some pictures, but what we have to do, we have to fill the missing letter. Now listen the sound carefully and you have to write that sound in these blanks. Now what is this? Wheel. W-h-eel. So what sound we are getting? Yes, double E. Now what we will write? W-h-e-l, wheel. So what we have to fill? Double E. W-h-e-l, wheel. W-h-e-e-l, wheel. W-h-e-e-l, wheel. Done? Come to the next picture. What is this? Yes, wool. What sound we are getting? Oo. Then what is oo? Yes, double O. W-oo-l. So what we have to write? Oo. W-o-o-l, wool. W-double-o-l, wool. Done? Now this is moon. So what sound we are getting in between? moon. So what we have to write? Yes, double O. Moon. MOON, moon. Now come to the next row. What is this? 3. E. What we have to fill? Double E. Three. Then come to the next picture. What is this? Seed. Seed. What is missing? Yes, E. And E is double E. Seed. Seed. Then what are these? Yes, tool. Tool. So what is missing? U. So we have to write U. Tool. Done. Come to the next row. Yes, it's a tree. E. What we have to write? E. Done. Come to the next picture. Yes, queen. Double E is missing, so write double E. Queen. Now see what these children are doing. They are in the pool. They are swimming in the pool. So we have to write pool. Pool. So what is missing? Double O. Pool. Done. This is a spoon. Spoon. So double O is missing, so we will write double O. Spoon. Spoon. Then this is a jeep. Jeep. So which sound is missing? E. Write down double E. Jeep. Now the last one is food. Food. What is missing in it? Yes, oo. So write down double O. Food. Done. Now listen carefully. You will read the double O sound and double E sound for more perfection. Keep practicing, keep learning. Have a nice day.